2018 Subaru Crosstrek. 2018 Subaru Crosstrek Review. The Subaru Crosstrek remains a flexible hatchback with SUV-like capabilities. The Subaru Crosstrek would have been a surprise hit as a result of its rugged styling, versatile size and affordable price. Nothing changes using the second-generation 2018 model. It will continue to offer great value, nimble handling and also a handsome design. A much improved interior provides the Crosstrek a higher quality feel inside as you move. The revised suspension and stiffer chassis offer a smooth ride in all of the most extreme circumstances. Unlike another subcompact vehicles on this class, the Crosstrek offers high-end options including a premium audio system and also a full suite of advanced precautionary features that Subaru calls eyesight. It includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. Higher-end trim levels offer automatic high beams and reverse automatic braking in order to avoid backing up into an unseen obstacle. No matter how you spec it, the Crosstrek delivers strong value and several all-weather capability. What's new? The 2018 Subaru Crosstrek is all new for 2018. It rides on the new chassis, gets an alternative version with the previous engine, and comes with a more refined cabin design with additional features. As nice which is to have all of the latest features, the Camp Crosstrek 2.0i is how we would start. It has almost all with the same mechanical features because the higher trims together with plenty of basic interior amenities. It does come standard that has a manual transmission, but a mechanical is an option. Trim levels and features. The Crosstrek emerged in three quantities of trim, 2.0i, 2.0i Premium and a pair of .0i Limited. A 2.0-litre 4-cylinder, 152 horsepower, engine powers all trim levels, and all-wheel drive is standard. A 6-speed manual transmission happens the 2.0i and 2.0i Premium trims, but a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, is optional. The CVT is standard for the Limited. For 2018, the CVT turns into a special driving mode that improves control in off-road situations. The base 2.0i model is well equipped for the price range. It features 17-inch wheels, a 6.5-inch touchscreen dashboard display that gives Apple CarPlay and Android Auto phone integration, a 60/40 split folding rear seat, carpeted floor mats, auto up, down windows with the driver and front passenger, a rear view camera as well as a driver information display. Upgrading to the 2.0 Premium model adds a leather-wrapped tire and shifter, automatic headlights, heated seats and mirrors, and Subaru Starlink features including collision notification and remote services. The 2.0i Premium models offer additional options including a sunroof, contrasting interior stitching, and Subaru's eyesight suite of advanced security measures with blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert. The top-of-the-line 2.0i Limited builds within the features in the Premium with 18-inch wheels, LED adaptive headlights, a bigger 8-inch dashboard display, leather seating, automatic climate control, keyless entry and ignition, along with a 6-way power-adjustable driver's seat. A Harman Kardon head unit and navigation are optional along with all the eyesight system, which adds automatic high-beam headlights likewise. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S on this review depend on our first drive on the 2018 Subaru Crosstrek Limited, 2.0 liters flat 4, CVT automatic, AWD. Driving. Responsive steering, a refined ride and lots of ground clearance makes a surprisingly fun car to push on both paved and dirt roads. A lack of power in the standard 4-cylinder engine would be the only issue with this very capable hatchback. Comfort. Reduced cabin noise along with a more refined ride result in the Crosstrek feel much more comfortable in everyday driving compared for the first-generation model. The firmly padded front seats are very well suited for long drives, as well as the increased rear seat legroom causes it to become livable for adults at the spine. Interior. Higher quality materials and also a more refined design make cabin in the Crosstrek look less utilitarian. The overall control layout remains straightforward, so while there are more features available, will still be a user-friendly design. Utility. A slight improvement in size opens slightly more passenger room than before. The measured cargo space is down slightly, but a wider opening creates easier loading. Technology. New touchscreen displays are really easy to watch and are available standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto integration. The optional eyesight technique is one of the better active safety bundles available within this class.